Precision Door, a name you can trust.
Biggest question that we get with our motors or our operators is the belt drive dependable? Does it last? Because people automatically think with the heat that a belt will melt. But actually the belt drive, they've perfected it to where we offer a lifetime warranty on the belt. So your chain drive operator can be very loud. If you have a sleeping child or somebody who leaves for work early in the morning, it's really nice to get a whisper quiet belt drive in your home. So the price difference between your chain drive and your belt drive is nominal, but we can get a door designer to come out and quote you the different models of operators as well as the different options. Give our office a call and they'll schedule one of the door designers to come out to your home when it's convenient for you.
Precision Door Service, a name you can trust.